Hey guys, John Justin Jr. here, and I'm back again with another reaction video. Okay, now, today I'm in a very good mood today, so for the first time ever, I am going to be reacting to a video made by SSJ9K. And the title of the video is called The Birds and Disease, which I'm guessing is a play on words of the birds of the beast. Very clever, by the way. So, with that being said, let's start the video. In 3, 2, 1. Cool intro. It was best. Animated by SSJ Carter. Alright. Wow. I honestly thought this would be another Subin Cartel. Yeah, Simply Goku.
Come on, Dad.
Goku! That was way too much.
That's how I got your mother, Gohan. I don't care!
Whoa!
Who the hell are you yelling at?
Hey, calm down.
I'm sorry,
Don't
get it
twisted, Gohan! Yeah, you can't talk to your dad that way.
Spirit bomb at
Whoa,
okay,
Goku,
Dad,
calm down. You both need to calm down.
It makes me want to blast myself in
Black
the
parents in a
face.
nutshell.
Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
You did not.
You smashed Mom? Hit it 3 times and I wifed her. Why would you hit her? You monster!
That's not what he meant.
Wait, that's not what I meant. What are you saying? Your dad, Piccolo, never had the talk with you? The talk? You know, the birds and the Z's. I hate birds.
Bird hater.
Oh, bird hating ass.
Of course, this is Team Gohan. He's still a child, so of course he doesn't know about the birds and the bees. Or SSJ, as you would put it, the birds and disease.
Each other? No, okay, imagine that boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Okay.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend. Sounds like some weird sorcery to me. Then if the girl likes the boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then, after 9 months, something emerges. What emerges? A capsule. A Capsule Corp capsule? Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule? A beef fajita taco?
Really?
No! A baby, Gohan! Well, how am I supposed to know? Shit! It's useless. Dad? Yeah? Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the seas.
Really?
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
Whoa, don't get ahead of yourself, Gohan.
One day, maybe I'll be just like you. I'll have a bunch of kids.
That face, though.
And neglect them. What was that?
So, did you guys enjoy the video? I know I did. First off, when Goku got mad, not to nitpick here, SSJ, I really love your stuff. First off, I really love that Senzu Bean song Goku was singing. You should really make that into another Senzu Bean cartel. You should really make a music video of that Senzu Bean song. Second, when Goku got mad, who still says get it twisted? Talk about black parents in a nutshell. Also, when Gohan yelling at Goku, that was really a first. And Goku talking that way to Gohan. Well, wait, Gohan talking that way to Goku. Forget. And what Goku said he would throw a spirit bomb at him. Forget the spirit bomb. If that was me and my dad, if I ever talked that way to my dad, he'd beat my ass on the spot. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. My birthday is coming up in 2 days, so be sure to send me lots of happy birthday comments on Facebook. Or if you wanted to tell me happy birthday in advance, feel free to do so in the description box below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, drop a like below, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. Go ahead and hit that. Let me start over. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to me. Click that little bell to be part of my notification squad, for which I am uploading new content. Not every day because I'm too busy. And tune in this Sunday for a very special video. So, on SSJ Carter, if you're watching this, I'm a huge fan. I love your videos and I love your content. And here's a suggestion for another Senzu Bean cartel. You should really make a music video out of that Senzu Bean song that Goku was singing. So, anyway, guys, feel free to wish me a happy birthday this Sunday, and wish me a happy birthday on Facebook and Twitter. If you want to wish me a happy birthday in advance, go ahead and do so in the comment section. Until next time, my wonderful God's creatures, I'll see you guys real soon. And I'll see you next Friday, if I'm not too busy. See you soon.